Hello my dear students, welcome you all. I am Manisha Modi from Buses with Help. So today I will explain about the first aid box. As you know very well children that in my previous video I explained about the safety first. About that you understand that yes, the accident can occur anywhere or anytime. Maybe at school, maybe in school, maybe at on the playground or maybe at the swimming area. Yes. So how you can save yourself? Because accident not wait for anything, anytime it can happen, so you have to take care of yourself, you have to follow some safety rules. So yes, if some accident happened, that time what can we do? All the times if you have very minor cut, minor burn, that time you cannot run for the doctor. That time you need immediately help by someone. So first aid, so what is this first aid? First aid means that the immediately help to give an injured person or a sick person. Yes, so why we need first aid? You understood that when a person injured, that time he or she need the immediately help by someone. Yes, so first aid. So now what, which are the things or what items we can collect in our first aid box? So this is my first aid box. It is not necessary that you have to take any bag or box, whatever bag you have the available. Yes, so that easily you can open it. Yes, so now first aid box. Okay, so which are the items we can keep in our first aid box? Yes, so very important thing that first whenever we need to touch anybody who get the wound is there, cut or burn, we should immediate clean our hand. So that time we need a either sanitizer or the hand wash. Yes, second thing that we have to clean that area with the either the lotion like the Dettol lotion, antiseptic lotion. Yes, so this is the antiseptic lotion, Dettol, Sablon, anything is like that. After that cold cream, gauze, band-aid, cotton roll means scissor. Yes, band-aid. Even you can keep the Vicks also, where very severe you are sometimes fall down, that time you need balm, Iodex, that Vicks. Yes, few tablets like the Podinhara and other tablets like the for the temperature. If you have temperature, that time you need to check your temperature, thermometer. Yes, Caesar, any cold cream, ice pack. So these are the items that you need required to keep in your first aid box. Again I am repeating that which are the items you can keep it in your first aid box. The first important thing that is the Dettol antiseptic lotion, antiseptic cream, any ointment like the Borolin, Boro Plus, cold cream, ice pack, scissor, gauze, band-aid, cotton cream or the few tablets. That these are the very common things that you can keep in your first aid box. Now where you can keep your first aid box? In your home. But home where? So you have to keep your first aid box in that place that anyone can get easily. But we have to take care of one more thing, that children means very small children cannot touch, means cannot reach there. So we have to take care of these things also. Okay, so either you can use in the any almirah or the cupboard, so anybody can get easily, even whenever you are going for the picnic, in your car, bus area, in school. So these are the places that you can keep them. And even whenever you are going outside, so few items you can always carry with you. Okay, my dear student, you see that she got a cut here. Okay, don't cry. Okay, so students, you have to take care that this cut is very minor cut. Means this is not too much deep, or this is very small cut. If the cut is very deep and if it is more than 2 or 3 inch, that you have to immediate you should contact with the doctor. But this is very small cut and this is not the deep cut. Okay, don't worry my dear. it will be just now I will be cure it. Okay, don't worry. See, so now I should not touch this cut, because why so in these situations either I can first I have to clean my hand, either sanitizer, either I can hand wash. Why? To prevent from the infection or from the bacteria. So now I am using the sanitizer, any type of sanitizer, otherwise you can use the soap, and otherwise even I can use the gloves also. Whatever type of gloves you have, I can use the gloves also to cure, to prevent this cut. Yes. After that, see, I will try to wash this cut with the running water, so it will be give relax to her slowly, slowly, and I will be clean the affected area. Yes. After that, what can I do, my dear students? Yes, you can see that. So I can press is with the clean cloth. So clean cloth or the whatever is the things I will use, the that should be clean. So I will press this cut for 1 or 2 minutes for stop bleeding. So when the bleeding will stop, I will clean it. Yes. So now you can see that the bleeding will stop. Yes. So now either I can use any type of ointment, I can use also cream also, and I can use that because this is a very minor cut, so I can use bandage also, any type of bandage whatever you have available at your home, so I can use this, but that you have to change every day. And this type of minor cut will cure very fast within 1 week. Because she is very small girl, so they have this habit to touch this type of cut again and again, so maybe she will touch it and it may will be the more infection, so that's why I cover this. So this may children you can cure yourself when there is minor cut is there, so no need to take stress when if there is minor cut, so you can take care of yourself if somebody is there home. Okay, so how are you feeling now? Relax. This is very hot. Don't touch it. Okay? Yes, till that I am doing some work. I told you don't touch. Now show me that. Yes. See now what happened? You got burned. I told you that. Don't touch it. Okay. See student that I given instruction to her that don't touch it, but she touched the hot item, so now she got a burn, but it is very minor burn. Okay, so we have to not take stress, no need to go to doctor, we can cure it at home. So now first we have to wash it with the running water or the running water or clean water. Okay, yes, so now I have to also clean my hand because maybe to prevent from the infection. Okay, and I have to clean this affected area, so either I can use the gloves also. So I have to continue watch this at least 2 to 3 minutes, so the person will get relaxed. Yes. In such type of problem we should not use directly ice on it. In place of that I can use the cold pack, any cold, so it will be give relax very lightly. We should not keep pressure on it, otherwise the skin will damage. Yes, very slowly, slowly. Yes. After that I can use any ointment on this, so she will get quick relief. How are you feeling? You are feeling relaxed? Hmm. Okay. See children, in such situation, in very minor burn, I can use the aloe vera also. This is a burnt plant also. What we call it, burnt plant. Okay. If I use the jelly of this plant, then they will also get relaxed very fast. And after that, because they are very small children and she have very minor cut, so what can I do? I can cover it to prevent it and cure it. See, so this way you can cure your minor burn. Okay student, one thing I want to tell you, that as it is telling always that we should use the toothpaste, butter, oil to cure on the burn, but you should never use oil, butter, toothpaste on burn, because these things damage the skin and it will be give you more burn. So I think that you understand that how can you cure your burn and cut.